Introducing the LowDown remote stove adapter. It's an upgrade for your canister stove or stove system, allowing it to do more than you ever thought possible. It can turn your tiny ultralight stove into a group cooking pro, or transform a tall stove system into a stable coffee machine on your camp table. The legs fold out to create a wide, stable base that significantly lowers your stove height. This adds stability on uneven ground or when cooking around young campers or dogs. It's the most stable stove stand MSR has ever made. For example, the Windburner stove system is normally 13 inches tall or 33 centimeters. The LowDown lowers the Windburner to 11 inches or 28 centimeters. But more importantly, the system now has a wide base as opposed to sitting on top of a fuel canister. The LowDown also allows stoves of nearly any size to support larger pots and pans with ease, whether for gourmet meals or cooking for larger groups. Now your PocketRocket can handle pasta for 6. You can also be less precise with pot placement thanks to the additional stability. The fuel line and a remote canister top valve move the flame control away from the stove and pot, making cooking adjustments easier and more secure. You won't have to stick your hand under a pot that's boiling over to turn down the flame. It folds up nice and compact for easy stowing, whether it's stowing in your backpack or into a tote of car family gear. Weighing in at just 6.2 ounces or 176 grams, the LowDown is made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel for lightweight durability. Best of all, it's compatible with all MSR canister fuel stoves and stove systems, so you can use it with a stove that you already have. Whether you're a backpacker who wants more flexibility with your lightweight stove, or a front country camper who needs more cooking options, the LowDown remote stove adapter will turn your existing backpacking stove into a stable, do-it-all workhorse, perfect for all types of camping.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on and to end disappear. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. Your stories, they come from the heart, glue me together and tear me apart. Your stories, they come from the heart, glue me together and tear me apart.
Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. The base plate on the new Flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. Also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. The new Flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1-liter flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. Flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. The new Flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram jet power cans. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java Kit, which you can see right here. The new Flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, flux ring frying pan and pot, and utensils.
With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the PocketRocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation PocketRocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined PocketRocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, but we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind-clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers to fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate ultralight kit.
This is the brand new Stash. The Stash is 40% lighter than any other Jetboil stove system. It weighs just 7.1 ounces or 200 grams. The stove itself has a titanium burner, and as you can see, there's no igniter or regulator on this thing, which saves a ton of weight. The Stash boils 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, which means it's perfect for most dehydrated meals or a cup of coffee. The Stash has 3 support arms that fold out for stability, and the 0.8 liter cook pot slots right into these little notches. The Stash is the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever created. It's so small, you're gonna forget you're carrying it.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, high.